we're gonna make the bed look shiny. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is actually my last day of 75 hard. This is day 75 of 75. I figured I'd bring you a little day in the life and kind of show you what goes on, all the behind the scenes stuff, and all the other BS that we got to deal with my sick paint jobs because they're poopy. So yesterday we got the door and the cab sprayed out and it looks really good, and I'm super stoked how it turned out. There is some orange peel, of course. I'm not a professional painter by any means, but I will be someday soon. The only body work we had to do was this giant dent right there, and that turned out flawless. Basically what we want to do today on the truck is obviously get it back together. We need to wet sand the door and the cab, get all the orange peel out. And this is our fade up here, so I'm gonna wet sand that a little bit and of course buff it out. And then we need to finish buffing the bed or the box as well, and I wanna get the box onto the truck and just get this thing 100% complete. And if we have time, we're gonna get the cars off the lift, we're gonna put the truck on the lift, and we're gonna lift the truck. Like suspension-wise, like make it big. So that's the plan. Fancy little boy. Ooh. A little bit of clear coat action on these. Should try this 3M goodness out. 3M's like the goat of detailing stuff. And I hear it cleans off really easy, which is my biggest like pet peeve with detailing. So one is white with a white pad. We're gonna be DAing this whole thing because I'm not very good with the rotary, and I will definitely burn through. So DA everything, 8-inch pad. I wish they were 6-inch, but it is what it is. I think we're a little off on the size there, bud. I hate that word, but I like to say it. Bud. What's up, bud? Okay, she definitely needs more love, for sure. Hello. It's gonna look straight titties though when it's finished, I hope. So we have one little section buffed out on the bed, and it's taking quite a while with the DA polisher. So I think I'm gonna go pick up a rotary. Rotary, just the first step of the bed, and then from there we can move on to the DA to like refine the rotary marks. I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but I guess that's what we're gonna try. Let's see how the new Big Bad Wolf works. $40 later with an LED screen. How'd I turn this bad bitch on? Oh, bro! Woohoo! Hard for it stepping it up with the LEDs. This should cut down our cutting time drastically, I think. But it could also extend our project drastically when I burn through the paint. Let's not do that. This is scaring me. I'm sure this is a good start. If I can see my bicep reflection in the mirror, whew, that means we're off to a good start. Definitely need some more love. That's a deep black. This thing's gonna look so titties. I'm gonna go sand the cab. My brother, just kidding, my dad and my buddy, Chaz, are gonna come help load the bed here in a minute, but I wanna butt sand and buff that cab out real quick where the bed is gonna cover it, just so we don't have to do it while the bed is on, or the box. It's called a boxer bed, no one will ever know. So I'm gonna do that, and Jared's gonna tackle this project. Have fun. What are we gonna walk? Everyone clear? Yep, clear. Alright, bear with us, we can hide it. Using our fingers here. So we just got the bed on. Looking a little mint. There is some more sanding that we need to do. So there's just a ton of orange peel down here. We're not liking. Sand that out. I'm not sure exactly how far we're gonna get today with the sanding project. I don't want to completely like make the bed perfect because we cannot coat it right now with anything. We can't wax it, we can't ceramic coat it for probably at least a month, just so the paint can evaporate or whatever. The chemicals can do their thing. So I don't want to make it perfect and then not coat it. We're just gonna make it black looking like how it is. We might start lifting the truck today, which would be sick if we have time. Rotary definitely cuts a lot faster than the DA, so that's a big plus. You just gotta be really, really careful with this thing. This is all I used to use back in the day, like 3 years ago was a rotary, or maybe 2 years ago, and I remember burning through so many edges. So it's a little sketchy, but it's fast. I don't know if are we gonna rotary the whole thing? Maybe. This bedside is all finished up. All we're doing is a 2-step correction, so it's still hazy. It turned out really good. There's a few little tiny imperfections here and there, but for, you know, like my second paint job, pretty stoked. I'm actually really stoked. Tastes like candy. Done. Beautiful. We're all finished up with the truck for the day. We got it buffed. We need to clean the truck up. I actually want to drive it finally because it's gonna be complete and nice and pretty and not poopy looking. And then yeah, we have to go to the gym, an outdoor workout, still have to read, still have to drink the rest of my gallon. Last day. Last day. One more day till beer. Yay. Oh, that is. Sick. She's complete. Almost. So close.
I'll trade you.
Gym time, boys. We almost got the truck done. I wanted to drive it tonight, but there's probably gonna be something important that I forget, like the bed's not bolted down right now. And yeah, I don't wanna risk it. So we're gonna take the M3, we're gonna go home. Bobby just texted me, where's my phone? 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, we're an hour late. All right, let's dip. The truck looks good though. I'm so stoked how it came out. What's up?
Hey, you're not allowed.
Vlogception.
What the heck?
I'm
making you pizza.
Let me bop your camera. I'm doing a kind of like a day in the life of me on 75 Hard. You're gonna do the same thing, right?
I am.
Mine,
Tune over to my channel.
Mine's better though.
I'll show you guys what I'm cooking up Devin for dinner, because I'm such a good girlfriend.
This is one of our go-to meals. You want to tell them all of our go-tos? We have like 3 meals we eat.
We have lean burgers, turkey tacos, healthy pizza.
That's about it. We kind of just rotate.
No, we do spaghetti.
We haven't done spaghetti in like 5 months.
No, we did it once during this.
During 75 Hard?
There's one other one, but I just can't think of it.
Your burritos. Your egg burrito.
Oh yeah, egg burritos.
Egg and turkey sausage burrito. Our food isn't the most fun in the world, but we try to make healthy food.
It's good.
Bobby tries to make healthy food. Tastes good. And it does. It tastes really good. Are we going to go on a walk or to the gym first?
We can go on a walk first.
Okay.
I got my toes done. For Cancun.
What's this? A new hat?
No. It's a basket I'm holding.
I thought it was a hat for Cancun.
New hat.
New hat, who it is? It'll keep me warm, right?
No.
The last walk. Ready, babe? Are you coming?
Wait, one sec. I can't have my shoes.
I kind of like the white one better.
Really? I like the black one more.
I'm ready. Go walk. Because you know what? In life, doing the hard things makes you more strong and more tough and more resilient, if that's a word.
Wow, you're a motivational speaker.
I know, I'm Andy Priscilla.
It is cold though, huh? Oh
no, we're not done. We have to do phase 1 now.
So So this phase 1 is 30 days long?
Oh, what? That's it? All right, we just got to the gym. We're gonna go bang out the very last workout at 75 hard. I am extremely tired right now, but I don't even care. Do you care? Nobody cares if you're tired.
Oh, but I care when your breath reeks.
What does it smell like?
Rotten coffee. Hello?
You coming to train with the big boys today? I feel it.
Okay, camera out of the face. Wanna do.
Is your sister okay? We happen to land on back day, on a pull day for the last day. And we got the squad here, James here, Bob's here. Are you training with us?
No, I'm just here to watch.
No, like the same goddamn routine, Jamie.
Honey, she doesn't know any different. She takes after Baba.
Let's do this thing. Holy shit. Look at Bobby's back. She's kind of shredded. Ah! Oh, that's just tough. Oh, last workout of my life, boys. We're done.
I know.
That was our, actually I have to read. Do you have to read?
Yeah, me too.
We can go home and have a reading date.
Okay.
Was it fun?
75 hard?
Yeah.
I wouldn't necessarily say fun.
But look at you now, you're a warrior. That wraps up this journey of our life.
Mm-hmm.
Are you doing phase 1 with me?
Yeah, probably in like January or
No,
February.
phase 1 we can do when you get back. It's just a month.
Not really thinking so.
Well, I might be doing phase 1 when we get back, if Bobby doesn't. Thanks for doing 75 hard with me. Thanks for not cheating on your diet, even though people think you may have.
Mm-hmm. Peace out, bye.
Okay, bye, boy.
Oh.
You want to show them what book you're reading? Hold up. Why are you running away from me?
Oh, sorry. I wanted food.
What books did you read anyway? That one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is kind of what I've been reading, is Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins. What else did you read? Your mom has one. You have one, actually.
I have one.
So I also read Third Circle Theory, which I thought was really good, and there's one other one.
Jab, jab, right hook.
Some sort of meditations book, which is, you know, not my vibe, but it is what it is. Alright, I'm gonna go edit. You wanna come edit?
No.
You have to edit tonight?
Yeah.
Stinky?
Well, it just stuck to me when you like your armpit moved away.